Hi guys, it's Shtuky. Would you like to know the best way to cut apple into nice eatable pieces? Let me show you. You will be amazed how easy and cool it is. So you take apple, you take knife, and you first cut it into half. Up. Then you see these nice pieces that you would not like to eat, and you cut it again into two pieces. And now the last thing you have to do, you make V. V is like this. Up, first part of V, then you put your knife away and make another V like this. Up, and you remove only uneatable pieces. Voila! And you did not remove eatable place because a lot of people do like this. They take a piece of apple and make like this. You see? And they remove a lot of eatable pieces. Here, you can eat all this stuff and you remove it. And of course, it seems like most easy way, but it's not right. Again, let me show you. You take first, you take one piece and make V, like go, like V. And again, you make V. You see? And now you remove only uneatable pieces of your apple, and other place that you can eat stay inside the apple. Happy day, happy eating. And again, V and V and remove, and you can eat this. Wow! Please tell me in the comments, have you know that it's so easy and cool to make V's in apples? See you in my next video. Do not forget to subscribe Applebee's.